Hello class, and welcome to Ms. Shoemaker's 5th grade science lesson on hurricanes. Today we're going to go over what a hurricane is and the different storms that can lead up to a hurricane. First, we'll start off with the PowerPoint and notes. What is a hurricane? A hurricane is a violent tropical cyclonic storm that can reach wind speeds of up to 72 miles per hour and exceed that to 145 miles per hour or more. A tropical depression is a disturbance with a clearly defined low pressure high wind speeds of 38 miles per hour. So a typical windy day for a severe storm. A tropical storm is a distinct low pressure area defined by a counterclockwise rotating circulation with winds up to 39 to 73 miles per hour. These are the storms that we worry about whenever they're in the Gulf or the Atlantic Ocean, because they can gain speed and create a hurricane, starting with a Category 1, which is 74 to 95 miles per hour wind. And it doesn't really cause any real damage, but could if needed. A Category 2 reaches wind speeds of 96 to 110 miles per hour, and this is when we start to worry. Because then we come a Category 3, which is 111 to 130 miles per hour wind speeds. This can destroy rooftops, take trees down, break fences, and it just gets worse with a Category 4, which is 131 to 155 miles per hour, which can cause complete roof damage, no roof on your house, and is very intense. But the most severe one is a Category 5. A Category 5 is above 155 miles per hour wind. This is the most dangerous, and these are the ones we really need to watch out for. Because you could have no home after this. And that's really scary to think about, right? Alright. So now that I got you thinking about what a hurricane is, how about we review a video that shows a Category 5 wind and storm. This we'll be doing by a video on YouTube. We found it, and it was a great example. It's not very clear right now, but we'll get it clear. It shows a destruction of a gas station right here in Florida. The winds are so strong, it's 155 miles or more. The rooftop to the gas station is completely gone. I guess we won't be getting gas anymore. It's there. Alright students, now that you have an idea of what a Category 5 storm looks like, we're going to act like what's happening right now. We're going to sound the buzzer, and that's our warning to hide and seek shelter. So everybody run and hide underneath your desk. Alright, everybody hiding? Good. So, now what's something you would need when you're dealing with a hurricane? Food, water, tools, supplies, all good answers. What kind of food? That's a good question. We're going to use our American Red Cross guide to help us solve these answers. But I need everybody to get out from underneath their desks first and split up in groups of 4. There's 28 of you, so we need 7 different groups, alright? Alright, so there's a copy of this American Red Cross guide on each group's table. Let's read it. Food. Ready to eat food. So we need canned goods. Or juice. Soup. We can also get fruits, vegetables, stuff that doesn't need to be cooked because we don't know if we're going to have power in them. You know those empty milk jugs that are just chilling in your recycling bins? We can use that to get water at the stores and fill it up so we are prepared. Sanitation. You probably won't be showering for 4 days, but at least you need toilet paper, paper towels, wipes, etc. Also make sure you have good shoes that will keep your feet comfortable but safe, just in case anything falls down. And always make sure you have money. Money's always important. We all like money, don't we? Alright, so you're going to use this as a reference, but I don't want you guys to copy this. You're going to go over it. Alright. As a group, you're going to create a plan of action for a storm. Let's say a Category 5 hurricane is coming your way. What would you do? Alright, as a group, you guys are going to create your plan and come up with the different foods that you would get, water supplies, tools, etc. Okay? And I'm going to walk around and make sure you guys are all on the right page and ask you guys questions, okay? Alright. As the students are working on this, I'm walking around and going over with them the different types of supplies they'll need, and keep asking them questions so they're on the same page. We don't want them to get sidetracked, so we make sure they're still working together. This is more for people who like the environment stuff, because it's working with a natural disaster. This is also a good thing for people who like to work together and like to get creative, because they're also going to draw a plan of where they would hide and why they would hide there. We want to make sure that their rooms have no windows in them and nothing can fall on their heads. That's why they're bringing their pillows and covers. Hopefully they have that on their paper. For me to know that they got the good idea and that each student is working together, their homework assignment is to do the same thing but with their family. As they do this with their family, they're going to bring it back for me to check. And then I'm going to send it back home so they can actually use this plan in case of an emergency of a severe storm or hurricane. This lesson is to help them come up with a plan that can actually save lives and prepare them for a natural disaster. Hopefully they use this plan to their advantage and everything works out for them. That's my lesson on 5th grade science of hurricanes. Thank you.